Hello friends, today I'm here to show you how to wear a scarf in a very interesting way and an easy one. This is a square piece of scarf. You just need to fold it diagonally. Just see a triangle on the top. When these two ends, you just need to tie a knot. It's a triangle, right? From this end, you start making pleats. When you have made pleats, this end where you have tied a knot, put your hand like this inside the loop and you just twist it. Twist like this for a while, leaving this end like this, and put this around the neck. Take out your hand and this end should go into the loop. Here it goes. It is like this. You can just drop it. It looks fantabulous, super easy, and you would love it. It doesn't take even a minute.